Welcome to the questions and answers section of my channel relating to witchcraft. All questions and answers in this section are taken from my old website and are intended to help other craft members in the future. Troy Aston from Marbella asks, "Hello, I would like to know if karma has anything to do with reincarnation." The concept of karma is a strong point of belief for pagans. Karma is a system that explains that a person's behavior will determine the course of their future destiny. It is not seen as a reward or punishment system, but as a universal law of nature. This is closely aligned with the concept of reincarnation. Dennis from Cumberland, British Isles asks, "My question is, are crystals magical?" Various views on using crystals in witchcraft have arisen in recent years. While some forms of crystal magic are undoubtedly based on scientific research, there is also a widespread belief that crystals have mystical powers. These powers are supposed to allow for spiritual and physical healing. Jacob Richardson from Holland asks, "Hi, could you please tell me about the horned god in Wicca?" The horned god is usually depicted with a stag's antlers, which signifies their connection with wild animals. He is the most common masculine divinity in Wicca. Other horned divinities include the Green Man, Sun God, and Oak King. These are syncretized versions of the horned god. Perry Marsden from Texas asks, "What is the rule of 3 in witchcraft?" I'd like to know. Witches believe that their actions have a threefold effect. This is called the rule of 3. Your actions will come back threefold if you don't hurt others. This may seem like a gimmick to some people. However, it's a good idea to consider its merits of it. Octavia from Mexico asks, "My friend has a collection of crystals. Is she a witch? I know she is into healing. Using crystals for healing does not make you a witch, but it is worth knowing the basics. You can do a lot of healing with crystals, and they can help you achieve a positive life experience. The answer to your question is simple. Just ask her if she is a witch." Angela Marsden from North Derbyshire, UK asks, "Hi, what is all this talk about the Summerland Wiccans keep cracking on about?" Various Wiccan traditions believe that the souls of the dead remain in a realm called Summerland, or Summerland, after death. The soul chooses its experiences. In some traditions, this may occur in multiple cycles of life. Quincy from Argentina asks, "Could you tell me about rituals? My workmate says she is going to one at the weekend. She says it's a witchy thing." Rituals in spiritual Wicca are performed for several purposes. They include healing, self-realization, and other personal growth. Some Wiccans may also use rituals for ceremonial purposes. Rebecca from Northeast Anglia asks, "Please can you give me a little information regarding the crone in witchcraft? Thank you." The crone is a feminine aspect of the triple goddess. It is not to be confused with crones, which is the opposite of crones. In Wicca, the crone is a woman who reaches her peak as she ages. A crone is a symbol of power and independence. She is also a symbol of enhanced clarity and wisdom.
I wish you well and merry part.